5 neck training mistakes that are ruining your jawline, shrinking your frame, and making your profile look weaker than it actually is. The bad news? If you never train your neck properly, your posture collapses, your jawline looks softer, and your whole upper body loses presence. The good news? The fixes are simple, and you'll start seeing a stronger, sharper neck in just a few weeks. And the best part? It takes less than 10 minutes a day. Let's start. 1. Front neck muscles. Most guys train chest, arms, shoulders, but somehow forget the muscles that frame their entire face. When your front neck muscles are weak, your head sticks forward, your profile looks smaller, and your jawline loses that clean, masculine angle. The fix is neck flexion, also known as neck front raises. Lie on your back, keep your chin slightly tucked, and raise your head slowly, pulling your chin toward your chest. The key word here is slowly. If you rush the movement, you're not training the muscle, you're just putting pressure on your spine. 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps done right will thicken your neck and instantly transform your silhouette. Strong front neck equals stronger first impression. 2. Weak back of your neck. This one destroys your entire posture. When your back neck muscles are underdeveloped, your head tilts forward and your side profile loses power. That's where neck extensions come in. Lie face down on a bench with your head hanging off. Tighten your core and lift your head until it lines up with your spine. Just clean, controlled movement. Do this consistently and you'll notice something crazy. Your side profile becomes way more masculine. Your neck looks thicker, your posture straighter, and your upper body looks broader without gaining a single pound of muscle elsewhere. 3. Skipping the side of your neck. You know that strong frame look? The one where your neck doesn't look thin from the front and your traps and jawline look connected? That comes from your lateral neck muscles, and almost no one trains them. The fix is lateral neck raises. Lie on your side, keep your shoulder relaxed, and lift your head straight towards your shoulder. No twisting, no turning, just pure side flexion. Do this on both sides, 3 sets each, and within weeks you'll notice more width in your neck, the kind of subtle change that makes your entire upper body look stronger even in a simple t-shirt. 4. Weak neck stability. Have you seen how professional racers train to ride racing cars? You know why? Weak stabilizers make your neck unstable, and they're the reason your head naturally falls forward when you're tired. That's why you need neck isometrics. Place your hand on your forehead and push gently while resisting with your neck. Hold 10 to 15 seconds, then switch to the sides and back. This strengthens your neck in all directions, improves your posture, and prepares you for heavier neck work later. 5. Ignoring the exercise that sharpens your jawline the fastest. If your head leans forward, your jawline disappears, your chin looks smaller, and your whole face looks tired. The fix? Chin tucks. Stand tall against a wall, pull your chin straight back, not up, not down, and hold for 5 to 8 seconds. This exercise hits the deep neck flexors, the muscles that literally pull your head back into alignment and instantly make your jawline look sharper. This is the #1 movement for fixing tech neck. When you put all these together, front raises, back raises, side raises, isometrics, and chin tucks, you're not just training your neck, you're reshaping your entire face. Now, watch this video right here. Peace.